Okay, what's going on, my J-Hen travel crew? This is your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Services. Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. So on my channel, we talk about all types of stuff dealing with travel. But today, I'm about to try to do something to get beach ready because I'm going to Destin, Florida on tomorrow. I'm here in Milwaukee. I got to go to St. Louis today. And then from St. Louis, I'll be going to Destin, Florida for the week. And my sister-in-law last week had told me about something that she was about to try. I thought, you know, maybe a few of us was going to come together. But I went ahead and booked my appointment first. So I'm about to go to a place. It's right across the street here. It's called Sculpting Craze, and I'm about to try this infrared, I think it's like sauna body wrap treatment. So I'm about to try this out, see what it does for your boy out here in these streets. You know, I try to work out, you know, as much as possible when I can, when I'm not traveling, or I try to work out too when I am traveling. But she told me about it. They had a Groupon for it. And I said, you know, what the heck? I'll be going to the beach. I might as well try something out since I've been traveling a lot. I just got back from North Carolina yesterday morning. So I haven't even been in Milwaukee 24 hours. And I'm about to leave again. So I'm going to try this out. I know I've watched other people's YouTubes. I looked it up, did a little bit of research. And some people were saying you can burn up to 2,000 calories, between maybe 500 to 2,000 calories just by doing this infrared sauna or infrared body wrap treatment. So I did call and make an appointment. And what they told me during the appointment is that you pretty much get inside like this almost like a plastic bag type of thing, plastic bodysuit. And I asked, you know, do I have to be, you know, what type of clothing do I have to wear? And they said most people get inside the little plastic body wrap bag in the nude. So, you know, we'll see what happens once I get in there. And then they said once you get inside the body wrap, then you have to get inside another like little suit enclosure type of suit. And that's what's going to, I guess, pump the heat and things like that to your body to warm you up, to make you do all the sweat. And I did ask them too, like, what type of things can I do for this hour? You know, as I looked up on YouTube, I saw some people were saying that the places that they went did have like Hulu, they had Netflix, and guess what? This place, Sculpting Craze, they said they got the Hulu, they said they got the Netflix, or if you want to listen to your own music and things like that, you can do that too. So I'm gonna go in here and try this out. Okay, so I'm here about to get started. They've given me the rundown. They're giving me the rundown of what to do. They did recommend to go use the bathroom first. I just went and ran to use the bathroom. Now I'll show you guys what's in the room really quick. So this is the actual room setup. This is the machine or the little suit that I'll be getting inside of. Just be pulling it apart here to get inside. It was set to about 70 minutes to give me time to get dressed. It's on 130 degrees. They got the body suits here for me to get into. Water, towels, Netflix. Now, let me get dressed. Okay, got my bodysuit on. And ready to jump in the back. So it's been about 7 minutes. Not too hot yet. I was told probably after the first 30 minutes it would start to get like really hot, and then I'd be sweating, especially the last 15 minutes. So it's set at 130 degrees, and I'm just chilling, watching Netflix. Okay, 29 minutes in, and the sweat is starting. Y'all might not be able to see it, but I feel it all under here. Sweat is starting to come through my pores a little bit, but I'm starting to really feel the heat. 29 minutes in. Okay, guys, about 35 minutes in and starting to sweat. I drunk like one small bottle of water so far. I got another one to go, but it's heating up. I got 9 minutes left and I am sweating like crazy. Sweating like crazy. Lots of sweat. I feel lots of sweat underneath here. And like I said, 8 minutes left. Okay, so the timer has went off and I'm sweating like crazy. Time to get out, get fresh, and see how soaked I am underneath this suit. Okay, I don't know if you guys can really tell, but I am like drenched, like soaking wet under this suit. I'm like super duper wet, like man, I'm drenched. So I guess I gotta get up and use some of those towels over there and stuff and get fresh. Okay, just from standing up, I feel a difference in my waistline area, stomach area, and my whole body is like so drenched. So it does seem like it did make a huge difference in some areas.